Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says, give an example where physisorption changes to chemisorption with rise in temperature. Explain the reason for change. So, the main key concept comes from surface chemistry, more precisely adsorption process. So what is the adsorption process? The process when gas molecules adsorb on the surface of the adsorbent, so and not penetrate to the bulk of the substance. So that is the process of adsorption. Adsorption process mainly divided into two parts. One is physisorption, another one is chemisorption. So in physisorption, it is happened by the accumulation of gas molecules on the surface of the adsorbent, and the interaction between the adsorbent molecules and the adsorbent is very weak, van der Waals force. So there is a weak interaction, that is van der Waals forces. And in chemisorption, when it is happened when the gas molecules adsorbed to the surface of the adsorbent by the formation of some chemical bonds. Okay, so through the formation of chemical bond it is happened. That's why this type of interaction is very strong interaction between the adsorbent molecules and adsorbent. Chemical bond forms. Now in this question it is said that the physisorption changes, where physisorption changes to chemisorption, rise in temperature. So क्या देखा जाता है कि when we in the rise of temperature, when we rise temperature, physisorption changes to chemisorption. अगर टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज करेंगे तो physisorption का प्रोसेस chemisorption में चेंज होगा. Why? Because physisorption happen by weak interaction, van der Waals interactions by the gas molecules. So it requires low temperature, right? It requires low temperature, low energy, low temperature. So when we increase temperature, then the randomness of the gas molecules increases. So the adsorption process get disturbed, right? Adsorption process जो adsorb हो रहा है gas molecules, उसमें अगर energy ज़्यादा होगा तो उसका randomness बढ़ जाएगा, increase होगा, तो उसका जो adsorption process है वो decrease होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे weak van der Waals interactions है. अगर टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा होगा तो ये van der Waals interactions खराब हो जाएगा, टूट जाएगा. एंड अगर बहुत ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर होगा, एट हाई टेम्परेचर, and when it is greater than the activation energy delta E for the formation of chemical bond, for the formation of chemical bond, what happens? Then the gas molecules again comes in contact the adsorbent surface and form a strong chemical bond between the adsorbent or gas molecules and at the surface of the adsorbent. Okay, so then there is a chemical bond formation, because there is at that high temperature the activation energy for the bond formation will be attained. Okay, so for example, the dihydrogen H2 molecule on the surface of nickel first adsorbed by physisorption process at low temperature. Okay, this is the physisorption process. At low temperature, the dihydrogen is first adsorbed on the nickel. This is the nickel surface, the metal surface के ऊपर adsorb हो रहा है by the physisorption van der Waals forces, weak van der Waals forces. Then when we increase the temperature, what happens? Temperature जब ज़्यादा increase हो रहा है तब this hydrogen molecule dissociates, dihydrogen molecule dissociates into hydrogen atom and held on the surface of adsorbent. Then क्या होगा? This nickel surface के ऊपर hydrogen atom dissociates, okay, through the formation of chemical bond. This is the chemical bond. Okay, this is the chemical bond. So this type of chemical bond form when chemisorption is happened. So and it is held on the surface of the nickel adsorbent. So when we increase the temperature, the physisorption changes to chemisorption, and this is the example. So this is the all about answer for this question. Hope you understand it well. All the best.